Welcome back, everyone. Today we're going to learn how to add pagination to our custom query in Spring Data JPA. In the last video, we executed both JPQL and SQL queries, and now we'll take it a step further by fetching data page by page dynamically. Alright guys, see here. In the last video we ran both SQL and JPQL queries using Spring Data JPA with the @query annotation, but remember we fetched all records at once. Now imagine if we have thousands of rows, that's not efficient, right? So today, we're going to learn how to fetch data in a paginated way using the same approach. And here's the best part, in this video, we'll use JPQL, but the exact same logic works for SQL too, no extra changes required. Alright, so let's copy one of our previous methods and paste it right below. Now, we're going to add pagination support here. Alright, so as you can see right now, our method is returning a list of employees. But remember from our earlier videos in this series, Spring Data JPA also provides a page object that gives you a lot more details like total pages, total elements, page size, and much more. So instead of just returning a simple list, we can return a page of employee to get all those pagination details. It totally depends on your use case. If you only need the data, list of employee is fine. But if you want complete pagination info, go with page of employee. For this video, I'm going with page of employee. Now, to make this query pageable, it's super simple. All we need to do is take an object of Pageable in our method parameter. And that's it done. We already know about Pageable from our previous videos. It helps define the page number, page size, and even the sorting details. So just by adding Pageable here, Spring will automatically handle pagination behind the scenes for us. Alright, now let's quickly jump over and create a REST API for this. Also take page number and page size from the input, so we can control pagination dynamically. Okay, now let's create our Pageable object, and we already know how to do this, right? Now let's call our JPA method and pass this Pageable object we just created. Alright, so this method actually returns a page of employee. Now if you want, you can handle pagination details like total pages, total elements. We've already covered all that in one of our earlier videos. But for now I'm going to keep it simple. We'll just return the content part of the page, meaning the actual list of employees. Start the application. Let's hit our API. I'm going to fetch page 1 with a page size of 2, so we should get just 2 employees per page in the response. Okay. I just got one record. That's strange. Oh wait, I passed page size -1 instead of page number -1. Remember guys, in Spring Data JPA, page numbers start from 0, not 1. So make sure you subtract 1 from your page number, not from the page size. Now start the application again. Hit the API again. You can see we got page 1 data, and it's returning exactly 2 records, just as we expected. Now, let's go ahead and hit the next page to see the next set of employees coming in from our paginated query. Now take a look at the console logs. See that? Spring Data JPA automatically adds the limit and offset clauses for pagination. It even runs an extra count query behind the scenes to calculate total pages and total elements. Pretty cool, right? We didn't have to write a single line for that. Spring JPA handled everything for us. Alright, now it's your turn. Try the same thing but this time using a native SQL query with the @query annotation. Just pass the same Pageable object. Spring JPA will handle pagination automatically, even for SQL queries. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. In the next video, we're going to learn how to lock rows using Spring JPA, super important when you're working with concurrent updates or transactions. So don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and press the bell icon to get notified when that video drops. See you in the next one.